Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. So if you are a Karnataka TET 2024 aspirant, then this short video is for you. I hope that you know the syllabus of Karnataka TET, both paper 1 and paper 2. So if you know the syllabus and if you are trying to prepare or if you have already started to prepare, then this video is for you. Okay, so if you don't have a syllabus or if you have not yet started to prepare, then also this video is going to help you a lot. If you want the syllabus, then you will get the syllabus of Karnataka TET in our Telegram group, and you can find the link below this video in the description box. So you can see the syllabus and then you will get to know that we have made this timetable for you all based on the Karnataka TET syllabus. Okay. So here I am with the most awaited timetable to prepare for Karnataka TET 2024. So I have made this timetable for next 45 days. And I am releasing this timetable little bit earlier this time because once I post a video in my YouTube channel, it takes little bit time to reach out the aspirants because some aspirants have not subscribed to our channel, or some aspirants share with other aspirants who don't know about our YouTube channel and Telegram channel. So it may take little time to reach to all the aspirants. So that gap I am giving to you because the timetable is starting from 14th May, which I have made. So I am releasing it now only before a week, around a week before only I am giving you this timetable so that you will not have any problem in following my timetable. Because before time only, if you know about this timetable, then you will prepare yourself to follow it, right? Okay. This timetable is made for paid course aspirants actually. But if you have not taken my course due to some problem, then also you can follow this timetable just by joining my Telegram channel and Telegram group. I will be sharing the weekly basis timetable in that channel and group, so you can follow that timetable. Okay. First, let me talk about how the paid course aspirant should follow this timetable. Okay. See, I believe that if you all follow this timetable strictly, then you can surely clear TET this time. Okay. So what does my timetable say is, see, in the weekdays, you should prepare for the topics I am giving to you here in the timetable. And in the weekend days, you have to do the revision. Okay. Now, for example, we are starting from 14th May. On 14th May, that is Tuesday, you should watch the paid classes of probability and light. Then on Wednesday, that is 15th May, you should watch electricity part 1 class and identities class. Then on Thursday, you should watch maths class of trigonometry and science class of lengths. And on Friday, you should watch electricity part 2 class and linear equations. Okay. And on Saturday and Sunday, I will give you revision classes on these topics. That is probability, light, electricity, identities, trigonometry, lengths and linear equations. Okay. So I will give you revision classes on Saturday and Sunday so that you will have a nice brush up related to what all you have prepared in weekdays. Okay. So this is our plan. Then moving on the next week, what we will do in the next week, that is from 20th May. So again from 20th May, we will start with the coordinate geometry. I mean to say you will be having my course already, it is ready, right? You will be having all the classes, right? From that you have to watch coordinate geometry class and class made on mirror on Monday, that is 20th May. Then on 21st May, you should watch magnetism and quadratic equations classes. Then on 22nd May, you should watch polynomials and natural phenomenon classes. And on 23rd May, you should watch triangles and materials classes. And on 24th May, you should watch quadrilaterals and acids, bases and salts class. Okay. Again on Saturday and Sunday, that is 25th and 26th May, I will give you revision classes on these above topics. Okay. And also if you have any doubt while watching classes and while preparing, you can ask any of your doubt in your Karnataka TET 2024 Telegram group, which is dedicatedly made for paid course aspirants. Okay, and so on. We will be preparing on the same lines for the entire of the timetable. I have given all the syllabus here, and at last I have given you revision classes also. In these revision classes, I will be giving you some of the free classes like some maths chapters which are free classes like statistics and commercial mathematics and number system. Again, you can revise clearly, and during these dates of revision classes, you can ask as many doubts as you want in the Telegram group. And also, if you want any particular topic explanation, either it is a maths or science, or even if it is a CDP or psychology or anything related to Karnataka TET paper 1 and paper 2, if you have a specific topic doubts, you can request those doubts in the Telegram group. Try to request the topics in month of May only, so that I plan for revision classes keeping in mind about the topics which you want. Okay, and on 27th June, that is a Thursday, I will be giving you mock test. Your exam is on 30th June, right? So I am giving you 2 days space of your own, that is 28th and 29th June. I want you all to either stay calm or prepare in your manner, in your comfortable way. So that's why I will be taking mock test on 27th June only. Okay. Now, talking about this Karnataka TET 2024, see, if you have not applied for Karnataka TET still, you have time to apply for Karnataka TET. So please apply before May 15th, because May 15th is the last date to apply for TET. Okay. I will give you the link of the website below this video. You can find it in the description. See, as I have been telling from many days, this TET is a very, very important TET. That is, I am talking about 2024 TET, because after this we are expecting GPSTR recruitment. Okay, so for GPSTR recruitment, the candidate's eligibility is that the candidate should be qualified in TET. So if you have finished your B.Ed and if you have not written TET, or if you have not qualified TET, then this is the golden chance for you all to qualify TET. Okay. So please apply before May 15th, because May 15th is the last date to apply for TET. Okay. Now talking about the aspirants who could not take our course. See, first thing though, I would advise you all, if possible, please take up our course, because it will help you a lot in preparing for TET. Okay. And in case if you are not able to take up our course, then also you can follow this timetable by joining our Telegram group. I will be sharing this timetable on the weekly basis. So you can follow the timetable and you can prepare by yourself. You will get many free classes in our YouTube channel relating to Karnataka TET. So you can use those classes by watching those classes also. You can prepare, and of course we have a Telegram group which any aspirant can access. You can directly ask your doubts in that Telegram group, which is a common group for all, either paid class aspirants or aspirants who have not joined our paid course also can write the doubts in the Telegram group. So we will do our best to help you all, and there are many other aspirants who help each other and keep discussing in the Telegram group. Okay. So what all I have to say is just if you have not applied, please do apply by May 15th, and please try to follow our timetable strictly. If you follow our timetable strictly and you are a paid course aspirant, then we assure you that our paid course classes, regular classes, revision classes, notes, practice worksheet, everything, if you use to prepare and work hard strictly, then we assure you that you will clear TET this time. Okay. So I really hope that you all will follow this timetable, because this is the best method to prepare for TET, as we have very less time to write the exam. Actually, we have around 51 to 52 days, but I am giving you timetable from 14th May. Okay, that is 1 week before, so that you can make up your mind and you try to follow our timetable strictly right from 14th May. Okay, so this was the maximum effort which we could do in order to help you all in preparing Karnataka TET 2024 in a very serious manner. Okay, I really hope that you will follow our timetable. Thank you. All the best. Bye.